Next, place drywall tape over the 4 edges of the patch. If self-adhesive drywall tape is not used on the patch, then tape the edges of the patch during the application of the first coat of drywall mud. Now, mix up enough drywall mud to cover the patch. Using the 6-inch taping knife, cover the entire patch with drywall mud. Take more mud and apply it to the edges of the patch and wall, continually pressing and smoothing the mud. Finally, scrape off any excess mud that may be left on the wall surrounding the patch. Continue doing this until the first coat is nice and even. Once the first coat of drywall mud sets, which usually takes about 45 minutes, apply a second coat with the 12-inch taping knife to ensure a flat surface. Once the second coat sets, apply a third and final coat. Even though this patch is fanned out with a 12-inch taping knife, it will leave behind an edge which will show when the patch is finished if the patch is not feathered into the existing wall. To do this, take a wet rag and thoroughly rub the entire perimeter of the patch, including the front, blending the edge of the new patch with the existing wall texture. Feathering creates a smooth transition between the patch and the wall. A wet rag is used to do this and dissolves the drywall surface in place of sanding it away with a sanding block, which gets drywall dust all over the room and destroys the original wall texture. The new patch should be even with the existing wall and appear to be nice and smooth. Now the patch can be textured to match the previous wall texture. Finally, the wall needs to be primed and painted, and then the project is complete.